Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado off-road trailer. Wanted to show you guys one of our 7x18 off-road trailers we got in stock. We build these to be multi-use units, as most of them are insulated with windows, power, AC, that sort of thing. So again, gives you guys that great multi-use setup. We also ship. If you guys aren't here, give us a call. We can get you a shipping quote. This one again is in our 7x18. This is in a matte gray Blackout. The matte gray is our thicker aluminum skin. It's a beautiful exterior color. You do have the Blackout package with this unit. This just got unloaded, but I know there's a lot of you waiting to see it, so it's a little dirty. I apologize, but wanted to get it out to you guys. You do have the front generator box and platform on the front, so a great place to store that generator and have it ride. Side swivel jack, removable front coupler as well, and that's great if you want to add an articulating hitch. And it's also great because that entire end piece pulls out and removes, so it's great for anti-theft purposes. This has a twist lock, 30 amp service on it, so you guys can see that little black box right there is where you're going to plug in. This one also has an awning door on it, which is a super cool feature. Great if you guys want to do concessions. We love it just because it gives you a great place to sit, hang out, and it's a place if you guys are pulling UTVs in here, you can jump right out this awning door. So this flips up and folds up. Again, just like an awning door, it gives you a little nice shady place as well. These trailers do come with torsion axles. This one has, it looks like, 5,200 pound torsion axles. You do have 32-inch mud terrain tires. Again, I apologize for it being dirty. And you do have black American racing wheels, stabilizer jacks as well, so you guys have that ability to, when you drop from your vehicle, have the extra stability on the ground. Rear load lights. This also has a rear deck option, so you guys can use this as a ramp door to load and unload your toys, or fold those stabilizer jacks down and basically have a rear deck and some more exterior space to hang out in. Also comes with a roof rack and ladder. Great exterior storage space, good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed, good for kayaks, canoes, that sort of a thing. And then you do have two party lights off the side, as well as those load lights off the back, so some great exterior light to hang out with at night. Step off the side door again, because these are tall trailers. And then this one has a bonus. It does have the window in the side door as well. These are tinted, lockable windows with screens, so you guys have that ability to open, close, have the windows, or have just a nice big hole there for ventilation as well. Performance Nudo floor with Maxx. That's this black floor that you guys are looking at. It's one of the most durable floors in the industry, which is why we use it. It's set to hold up and last. And a 7-foot tall interior height. So you've got 18 feet of length, 7 foot wide here inside the trailer, 7 foot tall as well. So it's tall enough for most UTVs out there. There's two of those windows, and you guys can see it's in that awning door, so you can have it closed and have the windows, or open up the awning door and get that additional light and ventilation. 4 D-rings in the floor for tie down points. And then let's talk about lighting. You guys can see you do have 6 puck lights in here. These are awesome little lights. And these puck lights, as well as all your exterior lighting, so your party lights, your load lights off the back, are all 12 volt, and they are going to be powered up and ran by a battery. So you do have a battery with a battery box and a battery charger in here. Great feature, because you don't have to be plugged into your vehicle or have a generator on to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer. So again, just a nice little feature there. And then you also have, again, 30 amp service. Here is your breaker box right there. Again, you've got the twist lock plug on the front. You plug right into that. With your generator, you can plug into a campground and extension cord. That's gonna bring all your 110 power into the trailer and power up your 2 overhead 4-foot LED lights. So you've got these guys across the ceiling. They're not fluorescents, they're actually LEDs. And that's also going to bring power into your interior outlets. So you do have 4 inside outlets, 1 outside outlet. And it's also going to power up your AC unit. Now this one is a Dometic unit, does not have a heat strip on it. It's AC only, 13.5 BTU. This is a big size unit. So if you guys live in a hot climate, you're not going to need to worry about being able to stay nice and cool. That will do it for you. And these ones are super cool because they've got this nice wall thermostat right here as well to control what you need your temperature to be. So nice little extra feature. 3-year factory warranty with this trailer. I believe it weighs 4,000 pounds. You're gonna have about a 5,500 pound payload capacity with this trailer as well. And you guys can view all of our inventory online at getmytrailer.com. or send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com, as that's the best place to reach us now in our COVID world. We are open limited hours, so you can also call us at 303-688-8485. And again, we ship, and you guys can go right to our website, again, getmytrailer.com, and purchase any of our units online as well. Purchasing trailers is a super simple, easy process with us. We like to not make it too difficult. So you can purchase online, give us a call, or we can help walk you through that process as well. And if you're watching us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.